Hey everyone, it's Karli, Executive Director at ACCU. Now that you're logged into your Vantaca Homeowner Portal, there's a lot you can do. On your dashboard, it shows your information and your upcoming assessments. Currently, this homeowner does not have an upcoming assessment. That's why you can't see anything on the right-hand side. You can click your contact information and choose your communication preferences. This is really important because you can help your association save money and costs by not printing. So you can change your communication preferences from paper to email. Same with your billing communication preferences. You can switch from paper to email, and this really saves your association a lot of money. You have the option to hide your name into the directory or include it so that you can contact your other homeowners in your community. If you want to set up for ACH to make your life a lot easier so the money gets pulled from your account every single month, it's important that you're at a zero balance. So first, you must make a one-time payment before you are able to sign up for ACH. One-time payment. Make a payment. This will redirect you directly to the bank. It autofills your information. This is the most secure and best way because you're going directly to the bank. Your information is pulled from Vantaca and pre-filled. You may pay by an e-check or pay by card. The best way to make your payment is to pay by e-check so that you aren't charged an additional fee. But with this option, you must wait 24 hours before signing up for ACH.